Now to the coronavirus pandemic. The Mobile County Health Department is reporting a COVID-19 outbreak in 2 North Mobile County school districts.
Tonight, we are breaking down exactly what the health department considers an outbreak and how the schools are dealing with the cases.
NBC 15's Laura Barcheski is live in Saraland right now, where one of those outbreaks is being reported. Laura?
Greg and Kim, the Mobile County Health Department says there are 15 schools currently dealing with COVID-19 outbreaks across the county. And after asking some additional questions, found out exactly what health officials mean when they say an outbreak, specifically when it comes to schools. Dr. Randy Murphy with the Mobile County Health Department says in both Saraland and Satsuma zip codes, they're seeing widespread community transmission of COVID-19.
In those zip codes, we know that we have outbreaks in the school system there, and we've been consulting with the folks and the administrators and leaders of those schools. Dr. Murphy says the community transmission they're seeing is partly attributable to transmission in youth and young adults. We're just seeing COVID, in those younger populations that are going to do well with COVID, but they are the ones that potentially are going to spread COVID to their loved ones. The Mobile County Health Department says for schools specifically, a total of 3 cases is considered an outbreak. According to the Alabama Department of Public Health school dashboard, Saraland has 5 cases in its district. Satsuma School District Superintendent Dr. Bart Reeves says there were 6 cases in his district reported last week. Superintendents of both schools acknowledged what health officials consider an outbreak. Saraland City Schools Superintendent Dr. Aaron Milner sent a statement saying, in part, based on conversations with parents, students, and employees during contact tracing, the overwhelming majority of cases entering our schools since August have been attributed to events attended by students or personnel outside of the regular school day and not affiliated with the school system. Satsuma Superintendent Dr. Reeves sent this statement saying, in part, nurses, educators, custodians, and staff have all stepped up to help mitigate the spread. We take it 1 week at a time and are cautiously optimistic we will finish the school year based on protocols we have in place and our COVID data this semester. Dr. Murphy is pleading with the community to do their part. We just really need the help of the community, the help of parents, the help of students to try to isolate for 10 days if you have COVID and stay at home for 14 days if you have been exposed.
Superintendents of both school districts say they're following all the procedures put in place by the Alabama Department of Public Health, and they're doing their best to keep their staff and students safe. Reporting live in Saraland, Laura Barcheski, NBC 15 News.